we'll proceed to removing the single-dual switch. You're gonna need a 3mm Allen key, 4mm Allen key, and a zip tie. So I'll first remove the handlebar with a 3mm Allen key. There are 2 screws here that needs to be loosened so that the handlebar can slide out from the post. So it will give it a gentle tug, and then it comes out like this. We'll put that aside for now. Next thing is to remove the brake lever. You're gonna need a 4mm Allen key, and you don't need to unscrew too much to get this moving. Next thing is to unwrap the loom to expose the cable tie that's holding these 4 cables together. Go ahead and cut those off. And then locate the brake button signal. Unplug those. It should be a red connector with 2 pins. And gently slide out the brake lever. Next thing is, again, by using the 3mm Allen key, unscrew actually the bottom 2 screws. You don't need to unscrew the top 2, because what we want is to just slide out the controller. Once you've done that, remove the display connector, and this connector is black. Go ahead and twist and slide it out. And if there's a lot of resistance, go ahead and unscrew it a little bit more. Like so. And that should slide right out. Next thing is to remove the single-dual switch. And the screw is on the back side, so unscrew the set screw, and you'll be able to slide this out. And again, disconnect, and this is the blue connector. Just slide that out. That is a disassembly. So we'll replace it with a new single-dual switch, and we pretty much have to reverse the process. So slide in the new replacement single-dual switch all the way in like this. It should be right at the arc where it goes inward a little bit. Go ahead and tighten it. Next is to put back the throttle controller, like so. Again, using the 3mm Allen key, tighten the bottom 2 bracket. Grab the 4mm Allen key, install the brake lever, tighten the screws, like so, and install the handlebar grip using the 3mm Allen key. Tighten the handlebar grip. Once that's done, connect the 3 connectors that we've disassembled and make note of the arrows on each end of the connector. Make sure they are aligned before connecting them. Once that's done, use the zip tie to tie the bundles of cables together and snip off the end. Then simply put the loom back to wrap the cables together. Cool. That concludes the replacement of the single dual switch.